Welcome to EFTM, and today some brand new technology made in Australia from Rode. Well, the team at Rode just don't stop. Last year they released the Wireless Go. Now the Wireless Go, for those of you who don't know, if you're living under a rock, is a wireless microphone, transmitter, receiver. So this little black box transmits. The little black box sitting on top of the camera here receives. And this even has a microphone built in. Little tiny microphone built in, so you can just clip it onto your shirt, clip it onto a jacket, and you are ready to go. They pair instantly, and you're looking at about $275, under $300 for the pair. Now, it's a great product, and it also allows you to buy a separate lav microphone, like the one I'm using here, and you can plug that in so that you're basically using it as a wireless unit, concealed away, normal lav. But of course, you can continue to use it on its own if you just want to use that system. Very simple, very easy, high quality, unbelievable stuff. And you've got to remember, these products are made in Australia by Australians, designed by Australians, shipped around the world in their millions. There's millions of dollars worth of equipment being sold from Rode to the world. Rode is an absolute big name in the world of video technology. So when it comes to YouTubers and all those kind of things, you'll find most of them are using some form of Rode gear. So the new stuff, what's just hit, what's just arrived in the EFTM studio? These two here. The Wireless Go in white. It's exactly the same unit, exactly the same technology, except white. So why? Because often you're not wearing a dark color. Often you might be wearing a wedding dress, you might be wearing a suit. Think about this in the corporate environment. White shirt on, and you can barely see it when recording. But also, just some people prefer white. You have the option of both colors. It's exactly the same product. Microphone on top. In the box, you get a pop sock, so there's no problems with wind if you're recording outside. You get chargers for both units. You get the cable for the receiver to go into the camera, and that's all you need. That's out of the box, it's working. But when you want to add more to that, you can. And that's where these new accessories come in. So along with the white Wireless Go, there is now a White Lavalier Go. So this microphone is made to plug directly into the Wireless Go transmitter. So that's how it goes there, and that's the situation. That's the setup I've got happening here with the audio that I'm recording now. But you've got the choice. It'll work perfectly like that. It'll work perfectly plugged in. And as you can see, without running it up the shirt, you know, even on a shirt like this, it's a better solution. It doesn't jump out as much to the viewer. So a great option to have the Lavalier Go. And frankly, you could buy, as an owner of a black Wireless Go, you could buy the White Lavalier Go just for the purpose of the odd interview. This just sits in the front pocket, no problem at all. So that's the Lavalier Go, which comes in white now. The Magclip Go is something very interesting. So basically, think about this guy here being clipped onto a shirt. One of the problems is, where you're clipping it on, it's still quite obvious. So one of the ideas is to actually conceal it within your shirt or under a jacket. And one of the ways they're doing this with this new Magclip Go, now this is a $30 product. So basically this little guy, it's just two things. This is all you get in the box. A little extra clip and a magnet. The extra clip goes on the back of the Wireless Go transmitter. And let's say that's now metal. So that's really all this is. That's a little bit of metal. So we'll demonstrate this just in my pocket. So that's now sitting here, but I don't want it to drop down into the pocket. I want it to be as high and close to the face as possible. So I'm just going to magnetically clip that on there, and it's now sitting ready to go. Now that could work on the inside of a jacket lapel, and it could work on the inside of a shirt too. I could put it here, concealed, no problem at all. So obviously it's black, you really want to use it on a black jacket, black suit. I can imagine there'll be a white version of the Magclip Go at some point in the future. $30, nice and easy. Then, the most important, so we've got the Magclip Go, we've got the White Lavalier, and we've got the white version of the Wireless Go. But this guy, this is cool, the Interview Go. It's not much, it's a $50 unit, 40 odd dollars you'll pay, depending on where you buy it, $45, $50, 49 I think is the RRP. It is plastic, hard plastic, feels like metal, but it's nothing. There's no technology in here at all. It's simply a mold. And you know what the mold does? I'll just take off the Magclip Go attachment here. The mold simply houses the Wireless Go. So that little mold there houses the Wireless Go, slip back on the pop sock, and you've got yourself a microphone for interviews. Easy interviews, easy go, immediate pairing as with everything from the Wireless Go family, and that's all you need. And obviously if you've got mic cubes, works a treat. You can get your own pop sock, whatever you like, it's all there for you. Really great idea. So that suits both the white and the black because they're exactly the same. As I said, 40, 50 bucks with the standard Rode branding on it. It's a fantastic idea, a fantastic product. It really is so simple to say, why not use the Wireless Go as the microphone? Brilliant stuff. So all of that is available now. It's all shipping now. Online shopping is the only way to go these days, and all the big online audio and video retailers have them. And in the box, you might even find a sticker, or you might not. You might need to write in for that, I don't know. If I was a bumper car kind of person, I might use it, but I'll find somewhere for it, don't worry. The Wireless Go, the White Lavalier Go, the Magclip Go and the Interview Go, all available now. All great new accessories for video professionals and video hobbyists. That's the critical thing. The best thing you can do with your videos is make the audio better.